Making money just by walking and running? Yes, absolutely yes! You can't just walk around your house, jog around the village or park, and walk to go to your job. This app can help you to make money just by walking, and this is absolutely free. So today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can make a lot of money, and you can also make a little, so be careful before you proceed. Making money just for walking over the couch, going to your closet, and going to the car? It's amazing, isn't it? As long as you have your phone with you. This sounds amazing, right? And I will make sure to you that this app is not a prank or a scam. Many people today are using this app, and some people have great reviews. So let's make it short. Let's roll the intro. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. This app wants to pay you just by moving around. Technically, you're doing something right, but let me ask you this. Do you remember getting up this morning, walking to the closet, going to the restroom, making coffee, grabbing a bagel? Well, you probably don't. You probably have forgotten all about those different things, like how you've gotten from one place to another. And that is the beauty of it, right? So this app works and you get paid for all of those things you haven't even thought about, the things that you do every single day. So let's get started. So the very first step is to download this app, and I will show you where to go in just a moment so you can do that. Now you can see the tokens here, and these tokens can be exchanged into money or can be used to buy something that you want. When you sign up, you're going to enter some basic information about yourself, okay? Your first name and your last name if you want to. And then enter your email or a phone number, and that way they know it's you. You're a real person and that you are using this app to generate tokens, and there's a lot of other things that you can do with this app. You can cash out, you can watch a few videos, and you can also earn extra tokens doing that. But how do these things happen? Grab your phone and then turn it off. You can lock your phone and put the phone in your pocket, and that's it. There's a couple ways to get this app. You can go over to the Apple App Store on your phone and you can search for this app, okay? As you can see, there are some screenshots which you can also read. They give a lot of reviews for this app. Some reviews are actually pretty good compared to the other money-making apps out there. Make sure to scroll down and read some of the reviews if you want to before you download the app, just to make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. For Android users, there's also an option for you if you go to the Google Play Store. You will also find this app over here, as well as a good amount of reviews. Some of them are really good reviews, some of them are okay, and some people have some difficulty with this app. Now I think some of those issues have been solved already, so make sure to go through here and read all the reviews before you continue. But actually, lots of interesting, exciting, and really happy people are using this app. Now, this app is called Lifecoin. You're probably wondering, well, that sounds pretty good. Then how do I actually make money with this app? And if you go over to the website, you're gonna find a lot of great information. But there's one section over here that shows you how you can take your tokens and redeem them for amazing prizes. One of those prizes is actually a PayPal gift card. Now they have $100 worth of PayPal gift cards. Once you get enough tokens for the equivalency, you can exchange that for a PayPal gift card. And once you're able to do that, you can have $100 of funds transferred to your PayPal account. There are also some other options such as the Amazon gift card. And they also have an iTunes card if you like music and videos. That might be something to check out. You can also purchase an iPhone or an iPad right on this app if you have a good amount of tokens. So if you're the type of person that walks around downtown, you always like to go for daily walks, maybe some of you actually like to run, and if you're just generally a pretty active person, then you're gonna have a higher chance of getting your tokens high enough. You can cash it out for an iPhone, and that would be so cool. You see that you can spend your tokens for some rewards like buying an Apple technology, shopping, other technology and toys, entertainment, as long as you have a good amount of tokens. You can also invite people using your code to earn tokens, and you can also transfer a token to someone. You can see the transaction and how many steps that you do. As long as you walk or run, you get the tokens in exchange or spend it. So what are you waiting for? Download the app and do the steps so you can get the tokens and exchange them or spend them. Lifecoin is a fitness app that rewards its members based on how many steps they make outdoors while walking, hiking, or running. The fitness app tracks your outdoor movement and converts your validated steps into a virtual currency called Lifecoin units. You can then exchange the coins for valuable rewards. Collect tokens in Lifecoins with every GPS confirmed step. The more steps you take, the more you earn in Lifecoin. The mission of this app is to accelerate humanity's transition to digital health. This app has its own vision too, which is that they believe that everyone should have access to the latest innovations in health and technology. Because technology is so important in our daily lives. Technology helps us to make our life easier, and also helps us live without any hassle or even without any sweat, because technology can even do our own work. Isn't that great? That is why this company called Azumio invented Lifecoin to ensure our health safety. By the way, this company is a mobile health company. They invented Lifecoin app to our health because these days, many people don't have time to exercise, right? Because many of them don't have time to go to the gym, and they don't have time to jog and maybe even walk outside. They can no longer do that. So they invented this app for us to ensure our health and make some money to buy our needs and wants. Using this Lifecoin app, you can exercise while making money. And that is surprisingly right. You keep your body healthy while you're making money. You can buy whatever you want by using money through Lifecoin. Now, how to use Lifecoin? Just simply open your app on your phone, put it in your pocket, do the walking, running, or jogging. And that's it. You earn Lifecoin tokens and spend them or exchange them into money, and that is how Lifecoin works. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe! Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comments section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!